I'm here in Ambler today getting ready to go over some preliminary designs with some of our clients. Let's go. If you took the cabinets down to the counter level and had those like tall cabinets coming up from the counter, you would keep the same amount of storage space that you normally have. We're going to be adding a natural gas fireplace to this back wall. There is going to be more seating on the island, going from 2 to 4 places to sit. We're going to be opening up the entirety of the space so that you have plenty of places to walk and relax. And we're going to raise half of that island countertop up to a bar height so that you have a nice little place to drink your coffee in the morning. I've allowed more than 3 feet in every direction for you and your animals to make your way through the space.
You like it? You like it in the kitchen?
This sunroom is going to be extra open and extra bright. We're looking at a natural wood finish, somewhere in the medium to light wood family, probably like a maple. So I'm headed down the basement to go look for some structural supports and figure out where they are.